Hello kids. Today I am sharing Odisha's famous Raja Parva. I made traditional Odia pithas at home and also visited a place with beautiful Raja decoration and Raja Doli. Enjoy this glimpse of our wonderful Odia culture. Happy Raja Parva.